Let us start ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 8, Multiplication of Matrices. The product of two matrices and A and B is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Let A equal to, in bracket, Aij matrix of the order m into n, and B equal to B in the bracket j and k, B and n into P matrix order. Then the product of the matrices A and B is the matrix C of the order m into P. Product of A, that is Aij, whose order is m into n, and B jk, whose order is n into P. We have to see that the number of columns of A should be equal to the number of rows of B. This is the essential condition for multiplication. You see, that is why I have arrowed the marks. Means here it is n, means column is n. Here it is n, means the number of rows should be n. This gives you the result, let's see, and its order will be m into P. You see, m into P means m rows and P columns. The ith row of A and kth column of B multiplied, then the element wise, and take the sum of all these product. That will give you the result for C, that is C I k, small c I k. In other words, if A, that is Aij, means small element, small letter, that represent the element of matrix A, and its order is m into n. B, small its elements are represented by B, J, K, and its order is n into P. Then the ith row of A is Ai1, Ai2, Ain, and so on up to anything. And then kth column of B is represented by B1k, B2k, dash dash, so to B and K. Then Cik means the result, the product, that will be equal to Ai1 B1k plus Ai2 B2k plus Ai3 B3k plus Ain Bnk. In short, it can be written as summation of j1 to n Aij into Bjk. If you put j is equal to 1, here it is 1, up to n we can put, and Bjk, j means j 1, here 1 to n. Now you see, there is a matrix A whose elements are A1, B1, A2, B2, and there is another matrix B whose elements are C1, D1, C2, D2. You see, here order is 2 into 2, here it is order is 2 into 2. Means the number of column and number of rows are same. Therefore, these can be multiplied. These are well defined for multiplication. So A into B, it can be represented by this way also. You see, multiply A1 to C1, write down A1 to C1 plus B1 into C2, B1 into C2 plus, so you will get the first element of the result. Similarly, for the second element, you see, A1 will be multiplied to D1, A1 into D1, plus B1 into D2, B1 into D2. So the first row is complete now here. Now proceed for the second row. You see, just open the second row of the first matrix and start column wise. You see, A2 C1, here I have written A2 C1, B2 C2, B2 C2. Now proceed for the column A2 D1, A2 D1, B2 D2, B2 D2. In this way, we will complete our multiplication, or you can say just make a figure like this, or anything, or set square you can use for the time being. You see this one, put this sign here like this. A1 C1, B1 C2. Here you have to move further. You see like this. You have to just cover it. So A1 will be multiplied to D1 plus B1 will be multiplied to D2 in order to get the second element of the first row of the result. You see, B1 into D2. In this way we will complete. Later on, just by practice, there will be no need of any paper help or any set square help. Now the properties of the matrices. You see, the properties of the matrix multiplication is the product of the matrices is not commutative. Means A into B is not equal to B into A. Multiplication of the matrices is associative. That is, if A, B, C are three matrices such that A into B and B into C are defined, then AB in bracket into C is equal to A inside the bracket B into C. The distributive law for three matrices A, B and C, you see, A outside of the bracket B plus C, so AB plus AC. Second case is that A plus B into C, so AC plus BC. Whenever both sides of equality are defined, means the basic rule for multiplication should be satisfied. That is, the column of the first element of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. That is the essential condition. The existence of multiplicative identity for every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of the same order such that IA equal to AI and that is equal to A. This is exercise 8C. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 6, 1, 1, 1, C minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, find each of the following, that is, first one is AB, BA, CA, AC, BC, CB, and so on. In the second part, there are A square, comma B square, comma C square. Now the third part, A in bracket B into C. Second part of the third, that is AB into C, B into CA, and BC into A. Let us start the first part question, that is AB. You see, I have written here AB. A 1 2, B 1 2 3 4, B is 6 1 1 1. So for AB result, what I have to do, that I should cover this one second row, and A 1 2 will be multiplied to 6 1. 1 will be multiplied to 6 plus 2 into 1. You see, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 1. So 2 into 1. Now this first row will be again multiplied to the second column, that is 1 will be multiplied to 1, 2 will be multiplied to 1. Now second row of the first, that is A, 3 will be multiplied to 6 and 4 will be multiplied to 1. Now the next element will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. So now you see 1 into 6, 6 plus 2 into 1, that is 2, that is 6 plus 2, that is 8. Here you see 1 into 1, 1 and 2 into 1, 2. So 2 plus 1, that is 3, I have written here. 3 6 are 18 plus 4, that is 22. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. 3 plus 4, 7. This will be the answer of the first part of the first question. You see, the B is, we have to find the BA. So first of all, I have written B. 6 1 1 1 and A is 1 2 3 4. So BA will be equal to 6 will be multiplied to 1, means row and column. Row and column. 6 will be multiplied to 1. Here 6 into 1. 1 will be multiplied to 3 plus 1 into 3. Now 6 will be multiplied to 2 and 1 will be multiplied to 4. So 6 into 2 plus 1 into 4. Now the second row elements will be 1 into 1 column, 1 into 3. You see, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Now the next element is this 1 1 will be multiplied to 2 and 4. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Now for the next element, that is 1 into 2. This, you see, 1 into 2 and 1 into 4. So 1 into 2 and 1 into 4. Now sum up. You see, 6 plus 3, that is 9. 6 to the 12 plus 4, that is 16. 3 plus 1, that is 4. 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now proceed to A, next part. So A will be, A is 1 and 2 given, 3, 4 given, C, that is minus 2, minus 3, 0 and 1. So AC will be equal to 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 0. You see, 1 into minus 2, 2 into 0, I have written here. Now again, 1 is the first row and the second column. So 1 will be multiplied to minus 3 I have written here. 2 will be multiplied to 1. So 2 into 1. Now proceed to the second row. That is 3 will be multiplied to 2. 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 0. 4 into 0. Now for the second element, that is 3 will be multiplied to minus 3. 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 1. So ultimately we will get the result minus 2 minus 1 minus 6 minus 5. You see 4 into 4, 3 is 9. Minus, yes, it is minus 5, correct. Now proceed to the C. Next part, that is C is minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So CA will be equal to minus 2 will be multiplied to 1. So minus 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 3. Minus 3 into 3. Now again, you see minus 2 will be minus 2 and minus 3 will be multiplied this column 2. So minus 2 into 2 plus minus 3 into 4. Here it is completed. Now 0 will be multiplied to 1. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 3. This 1 and this 3 will be multiplied and placed here. Now 0 will be multiplied to 2 and 1 will be multiplied to 4. So 1 into 4. Now sum up. That is 3 3 is 9 minus 2, that is 11, minus 11. Here you see 2 2 is 4, minus 4 and 3 4 is 12. So minus 12 minus 4, that is equal to minus 16. Here it will be 3 and 4. So the answer will be, this CA will be this much, that is minus 11, minus 16, 3 and 4. Now come to the, again we have to find out the BC, that is 6, 1, B is equal to 6, 1, 1, 1 and C is equal to minus 2, minus 3, 0 and 1. BC is equal to 6 into minus 2, 6 into minus 2, after that 1 into 0, 1 into 0, 6 into minus 3 plus 1 into 1. Now for the next row, 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Again for this next element, you see 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into 1. Solve it, you will get minus 12, minus 17, minus 2, minus 2. And this will be your answer. Now proceed for CB. C is minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1. B is 6 and 1 and 1, 1. Now CB is equal to minus 2, minus 2 into 6 plus minus 3 into 1. Here it is 0, 6 plus 1 into 1. Now minus 2, 1 plus minus 3, 1 whole upon 0, 1 plus 1 into 1. Now work it out or solve it. You will get minus 15, minus 5, 1 and 1. A square is equal to A into A, that is equal to 1 into 2 and 3 into 4. So 1 into 2 and 3 into 4 equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3, 1 into 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3 Here 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4, 3 into 2 into 4 into 4. So ultimately while you solve it you will get 7. You see 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. Minus 10. You solve it you will get, you see, 4 to the 8 plus 2, that is 10. Now come to this, the 15. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3, that is 15. Now proceed for this, that is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4, that is 16 plus 6, that is 22, and this will be the answer. Now for b square, b into b, you see I have written matrix B 2 times, 6 1 1 1 6 1 1 1. Now multiply it as discussed earlier. First row, first column. You see, again I am emphasizing it. First row. First row, first column. So 6 will be multiplied to 6. I have written here 6. 6 into 6, 6 into 6 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Now for this, you see, here you see the 6 into 1 I have also completed. 6 into, now you see this one row, this one column. So 6, 1 into 6, 1 into 6 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Now 1 into 6, you see 1 into 6 plus 1 into 1. Now for the next element, we will take the 1 1. So 1 into 6 plus 1 into 1. After that 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now sum up, you will get 37, 7, 7, 2. Now proceed for c square, that is c into c. I have written c2 twice times and elaborated it for the multiplication purpose. So we will get here 4301. This will be our answer, appropriate answer for c is equal to b into b. Now come to the third part. A in bracket B into C, we can get the value of BC matrix from the part 1, that is from BC I have taken the value of BC from the first part, that is minus 12, minus 17, minus 2, minus 2. Now substitute it here, and this is the matrix for A matrix you can say, and this is BC matrix. So now we start multiplying it, the first row and first column. Just cover. So 1 will be multiplied to minus 12, I have written. 2 will be multiplied to minus 2, that is 2 into 2, minus 2 into minus 2 I have written here. Now this complete row will be as it is. Now we will proceed for the second column. You see, 1 into 70 minus 70, 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2. Similarly, for the second row, now it says the second row is 3, 4. So 3 will be multiplied to minus 12, 4 will be multiplied to 2. You see, 3 into minus 12 plus 4 into minus 2. You just put in summation form, add it. Now the same row will be as it is. Now we have to proceed for the second column. That is 3 into minus 17. I have written here 3 into minus 17. 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2. So solve it completely. You will get minus 16, minus 21, minus 44, minus 59. So this will be your answer for A in bracket B into C. Now here AB into C, that is 8, 3, 22, 7. This answer AB, the value of AB I have taken from the first part of this question. That is 8, 3, 22, 7. And substitute the value of matrix C here. Now start multiplying it because AB into C. So 8 will be multiplied to minus 2. You see, 8 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0. 3 will be multiplied to 0. I have written 0. Now 8 will be multiplied to minus 3 and 3 will be multiplied to 1. See, I have written here 8 into minus 3 plus 3 into 1. Now for second row, the 22 will be multiplied to minus 2. 22 into minus 2 plus 7 into 0. 7 into 0. So again 22 will be multiplied to minus 3 and 7 will be multiplied to 1. I have written here. So ultimately the product result will be minus 16, minus 21, minus 44, minus 59. If you solve it completely, you will get the same result. Now proceed for BCA. Means first of all we have to find out CA from the first part if they reach. Now here I have written completely. You see the B is 6, 1, 1, 1. Now come to the CA, that is 4, minus 16, 3, 4. Now corresponding part will be multiplied and added. You see 6 will be multiplied to minus 11. 6 into minus 11 plus 1 into 3. 6 into minus 16 plus 1 into 4. 1 and 1 will be multiplied to minus 11 and 3. You see minus 11 and this 3. Now again 1 will be multiplied to minus 16. Minus 16 I have written here. Sorry, 1 into multiplying minus 11, 1 into 3. Next is 1 into minus 16 plus 1 into 4. Solve it, you will get minus 63, minus 92, minus 8, minus 12. Now BC8. You see, BC we have to find out. That is minus 12, minus 2, minus 10, 17, minus 2. Multiply it corresponding part. You see minus 2 will be multiplied to 1. You see I have written here minus 12 into 1 plus minus 17 into 2. Now proceed for the second row, that is minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 will be multiplied to minus 6, so minus 1 into minus plus 1 plus minus 2 into minus 2 into 3. You will get minus 2 plus into 2 plus minus 2 into 4. Now proceed for the final result. This will be equal to minus 63, minus 92, minus 18, minus 8, minus 12. Now proceed to the question number 2. The answer true or false. 1 0 0 1 is the identity matrix for addition of 2 into 2 matrices. False. If A, B and C are any 2 into 2 matrices, then A in bracket B minus C, that is AB is equal to AC. True. Now proceed for the question number 3. If a matrix A3 1 2 2 minus 1 is equal to 5 0, find the value of A. You see, there is a matrix having the elements A and 3 and 1 and 2. There is another matrix having 2 into 1 order, that is 2 rows and 1 columns. So 2 will be multiplied to this corresponding element of the row 1. You see, A into 2A into minus 1, 2A into minus 3 हो जाएगा. So 2 into A minus 3. Again proceed for 1 into 2, 2 into minus 1. So I have written here 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1. So you will get ultimately the 2A minus 3 0. So that will be equal to, that is equal to 5 and 0. So by comparing the coefficients, by comparing the elements of the matrices, corresponding elements of the matrices, we will get 2A minus 3, that is equal to 5. 2A is equal to 5 plus 3, that is 8. So A will be equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. Now question number 4. If A is equal to 1 4 2 1, B is equal to minus 3 2 and 4 0, C is equal to 1 0 0 2, simplify it A square plus BC. For A square I have written again, elaborated it, that is A is equal to A into A. Again I have written the matrix A, again matrix A, and multiplied it. You will get this result, that is 1 into 1 1 plus 4 into 2. Next element will be 1 into 4 minus 4 into 1. So this result will be 9 minus 9 and 8. Now the second row, that is 2 and 1, 2 will be multiplied to 1, as well as 1 will be multiplied to 2. You see, 2A plus 1 into 2, 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1. Ultimately you will get, this is a 4 to 8 plus 1, that is 9. This is 4 plus 1, this is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 4, that is 8. Here you see the 2 into 1, that is 2, and 2 into 1, 2. So you will get here 4. You see 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1, that is 1. So 4 plus 1, that is 2 4 ja 8, sorry, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1, that is 9. BC, that is minus 3, 2, 4, 0. So this minus 3 will be multiplied to 1. See, minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0. Again minus 3 will be multiplied to 0 plus 2 into 2. 4 into 1 plus 0 into 2. 4 into 0 plus 0 into 2. Ultimately we will get minus 3, 4, 4, 0. So the value of A square plus BC will be 9849 plus minus 3, 4 plus, sorry, the next row, that is 4, 0. That is 9 minus 3, 4 plus 4, that is 8, 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus 0, that will be equal to 6 into 12 and 8 into 9, and this will be your answer.